Let's start this off with Meta's up next. Four 2023 Meta. My keyboard's dying. Charge it up. Best keyboard and mouse in the game. But let's go on a daily. See what's going on. Nothing going on the daily. No gaps. Cool. 4-hour time frame. Cool. So the prior day high is here. Boom. Let's see. This is close to a double top. The 1, 2 with Google, with Meta. Bring this down a little bit. This is an old play too, 2023. Crazy. Crazy. What am I doing? Sheesh. Nice rejection at 218.36. Wow. So this is Meta. Old Meta too. Does it go some more? Let's see. Where it rejects. Let's see if it go. Oh, it does go more. Let's see, what did I miss? What did I miss? Let's see what I missed. That was a perfect rejection. It's crazy. Let's go back and see. Okay. Okay. There we go. That was the missing resistance. Boom. It's crazy. Next day for Meta is 12/11/2024. December 11, 2024. First, let me change this time. December 11, 2024. So this is the high. I'm not looking at this high. I'm not looking at this high. I'm not looking at this high. I'm looking at this high. We came up, we rejected. Came up, we rejected this area again. So now we're showing strength like we want to break out. It's not about just the breakout, it's about how you break out. So this is the high I'm watching, the prior day high. And now I'm looking for resistance. Let's see. So instead of waiting for this and this for entries down here, you look for this and this for exits. See, no other resistance, so it's the obvious. These are the next two. These are the next two stops. See, boom. So you get in on the red to green here. Hit the first target. Come down, belly red. Red for a few seconds probably. Maybe 2-3%. Come back up and reject at the next high. Nice. Next date I have is 6/27/2024. 6/27/2024. Remember, all in the 4-hour time frame. Let's see. At this rate, Meta is in the 500 price range. 3. Those line up nice. 1 and 2. See, is there any more? Okay, no more. Let's see. Do this. I like that one. So let's see, let's go to 940, see what happens. Wow, nice. So we're breaking out, respected this level. Red to green, respected this level. Red to green, respect, hold. Yeah. Nice move for Meta.